Hey guys, it's Cyber Dragon TV here, and it's Mega Monday. Don't ask why, don't ask. Well, this is just a little vlog for one of the videos on Mega Monday. 2 videos each Mega Monday. But oh yeah, there's an excavator outside. Something broke in the pipeline, so now we can't use the sink very long, or we can't really use water that much. Now I'll go show you it. The epic excavator. Yeah. My dad is very upset. He has to dig his yard out. Water versus land, though. That's the question. But I just wanted to make a little vlog. For Mega Monday. I don't really know what to do today. I'm probably gonna make a BioShock gameplay on the Game B13 channel. But yeah, I don't know. So I was just bored, so I done a vlog. I'm wondering what I should title this video. Excavator update. Sounds fabulous to me. But yeah, I guess that's all for now. See you in the next video, guys. Much love. Peace.